Hello everyone, today I wanna teach you what is block elements and what is the inline elements. Block elements are the main buildings blocks of a website. Each block element begins on a new line. Inline elements is coded with in a block element and does not begin on a new line. Here are the block elements in HTML. You can see lots of elements here. And here are the inline elements in HTML. And here are the lots of elements. Now this is the example of the inline element. This code is written and the result shows us this is the inline element and it doesn't start from the new line. But this example is written the block level element and shows us it starts from the new line. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.